Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Ruff and initializing config so checks run predictably. First, install with pip or pips. Once installed, run Ruff init to generate sensible defaults. Make sure your project has a pip reject. Toml with tool. Ruff settings if you prefer manual edits. Then run Ruff check to see immediate findings. This gives you a baseline of issues to fix and confirms Ruff is integrated into the project environment. Once done with the baseline, configure which rules matter to you and why. You edit pip reject. Toml, set select and ignore to focus checks, choose line length and target version to match your interpreter, and add per file ignores for generated files. Run Ruff format. To auto-apply formatting changes, then Ruff check. To catch remaining lint violations that need manual attention. Use incremental fixes to avoid large diffs and make CI-friendly commits. To finish, integrate Ruff into CI so you enforce standards consistently. Add a Ruff check step that fails the build on violations. Use Ruff fix locally or in a pre-commit hook to reduce manual work. For advanced needs, enable plugins or configure rules per path. If something goes wrong, run Ruff check verbose and toggle specific rule codes in pip reject. Toml to isolate behavior. This helps you diagnose false positive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.